It's Thursday, July 24th. In the headlines, the Education Transformation Oversight Committee announces reforms for the sector. Areas along Hagley Park Road and Halfway Tree are being encouraged to store water under the National Water Commission's drought mitigation efforts. In business news, Jamaica's trade deficit for the first quarter grew to $1.41 billion. Regionally, in Trinidad and Tobago, public discussions begin on the implementation of the Stand Your Ground legislation, and in Barbados, call for greater partnership to boost MSMEs' growth. In sports, West Indies all-rounder Roston Chase and captain Shai Hope rise in the ICC T20 international rankings. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.